Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot log in because your account has been locked issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to log in your account but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply reset your password using your trusted device or the official Apple web portal. So guys, if you want to reset your password, you have to simply open any browser and then search here for iforgot.apple.com and then go to this website and then tap on reset my password or tap on help someone else, and then you have to give here your email address or your phone number which is associated with your Apple ID. So guys, simply give that email or phone number, and after this follow the instructions and reset your password. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still unable to log in your account, then you have to simply go to Sport app on your device, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding your Apple ID issues. So guys, you have to simply go to Apple account from here, and then you can get any kind of help from the Apple team from here regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your account will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.